Hello everybody, this is the TradeLog of Kipp, who's joining here our LMP. He's from the master's class and he's repeating it. He was on vacation, so now he's getting back into the things. So he was seeing the potential trading in weak dollar against several currencies. He took 3 trades. Well, great week, right? Fantastic week. 10-hour week. So let's have a look at his trades. This is an S2 in a very short time frame. An S2, well, clearly, right, whenever we see a pattern clearly, these are the best patterns. This is the S2. It was even a bit loose on the stop. This is an S2. This is the momentum move. We clearly see we are trending and there's free fall territory, right? There's a lot of room for a volatility expansion down to this area, but I actually see it as a target to get down here to the 200. A lot of room to go, no resistance in the way. Well, what about TC2? Well, TC2, well, this is a trade taken with a bit of discretion, because that's a counter trend rally, right? From perspective TC3, this is a snap back to moving averages. We've been way overextended here. Whenever that happens, well, you can trade a snap back to 21 or even beyond. Because when a snapback happens, well, it bounces, very often it bounces beyond, right, the 21. So is there room to go? Yes, there is. We can expect here a test of the 21. It could even come down to the 200. So there's room to go, right, to the 21, and that's enough. That's enough room to make this a break-even trade before we come to the 21 resistance here. So that's a trade taken with discretion, but we are trending, right? We've got a zigzag, we've got a zigzag. It's just not the typical setup, but we have this pull lower, right, coming from the snapback. Very interesting setup. Well, with more and more experience, you will be able to trade those two. Actually, this is in line with the top-down analysis, where we said we might get another leg lower for yen strength, and in this case, yeah, it's US weakness as well. And this is what happened. Well, we came down, right? We came down to the 200. It doesn't look like we get a spike of the 200, but it came down here. It tested the 21. Well, it came down to the 200. Didn't see that, but it has been a support and resistance before. So then this becomes a logical level, right? Target level for price to go to, and it has met the 21 moving average. So nice to get out here with a good R result. 4.4 R. Well, that's fantastic, right? One good trade per week is enough. Well, even per month, as we can see here. But there was another trade, another two, a US yen. So again, short for yen strength. Well, it's the same currency, US yen, S2. Let's have a look at that one. It's clearly an S2 pattern, momentum move, S2 pattern, where we're clearly trending. We're actually coming out of a range or out of a pattern, right? So this gives us an outer target. This is the consolidation, this is the move. So of this pattern, our target is basically here, right? Measured move. But if this is a pattern and it is a trend following pattern, well, then this is our momentum move. So we've got an outer target basically down here. So that gives it swing potential. So how about this one? Well, we're trending. Well, this is not a snapback because we have already snapped back, right? So this is a follow-up trade. We have nicely positioned ourselves below the 200. So there's bearish strength here. And now it's basically the second step lower, right? In overall trend direction. We don't see the 60-minute and the 240, but it gives more bearish pressure. Now this becomes a target and the stop run level, and this one. Now let's see how that did. But it made its way lower, right? Not getting here, and this is a stop out on the 75% profit trade for a nice R winner, right? Let's have a look at this one. This is the last one. Again, trading US weakness, this time in S1. Nice result. So each of those trades was able to achieve weekly target, right? That's an S1. I don't immediately see the S1 with a flat line drawn, but then looking at it a bit more, well, this is the first touch, right? So this is the pattern, because this alone is not enough bars for a pattern. So this is the pattern, right? This is the first touch. This is the momentum move. This is the pattern. Breakout, nice breakout. Well, in TC1, we've got the 200 messing around with the pattern. This is not a trade you want to take like the first trade of the week or when you break even. But Kipp is already 6 hours up, right? So this is just, and it makes it like unpredictable, the 200. So then it becomes a make or break trade. But that's fine, right? If you're way up with your result, it looks really good on TC2. Stop run levels here. This is another S1 pattern, right? So it's a pattern within an oval pattern, and we've got a big, we could get a spike of the 200 in TC3. So it looks nice. It has swing potential. It could produce, well, either a quick stop out, right, or a bigger multiple. Let's see what it did. Well, it just developed nicely, right? We didn't break this. Well, this I would like to have swing traded, especially with the R result already achieved. This is executing the standard exits, right? But this has much more potential to break because we are at the consolidation low. This has potential to break this and then to spike the 200 in TC3. Still, great week, right? Nearly 10 hours for the week, right after vacation, a longer vacation. Well, that's fantastic.